In this session, you will learn how to enrich your openings with parameter values from the host and reference elements. Openings require various pieces of information for different purposes, such as a fire rating for fire safety, material information for quantity takeoff, or MEP system information for construction. With ConVoid, you can do so with a single step. To get started, launch ConVoid and select an opening filter. Please refer to the previous session if you haven't created an opening filter yet. Next, run the clash detection and click on Parameter Transfer. In the first section, Reference Element to Openings, you can transfer parameter values from the MEP services to the openings. For instance, you can transfer the system abbreviation. If multiple reference elements penetrate an opening, the separator combines multiple values in one parameter. In the second section, Host to Opening, you can transfer host properties such as fire rating from the wall to the openings. The third section, Level to Openings, allows you to transfer level parameter values such as the level name to the openings. Additionally, we offer a built-in parameter called Model Name that enables you to transfer the name of the models to the openings. Not all parameter values may use the required naming conventions. For example, the system plumbing should be described with the abbreviation P. To address this, you can tell ConVoid how to rename specific values by adding the conditions. You can also create a CSV template to import all the renaming conditions. The renaming feature allows you to easily adjust parameter values to meet your project's requirements. The structure of the CSV file should look like this. Once you have set up your parameters, you can transfer their values to the openings using the following steps. Apply your settings by clicking on OK. Click on OK again to initiate the creation and updating process of the openings. After the process is complete, all parameters will have been transferred to the openings. You can repeat this process at any time to ensure that your parameters remain up to date. If you want to add customized parameters to the ConVoid families, there are two ways to accomplish this. The first way to add parameters to ConVoid families is by using project parameters. Add a new project parameter to your project. Choose a parameter name or select a shared parameter. Set the type of parameter to text. Select the category Generic Models. Click OK. The new parameter will now appear in the Parameter Transfer drop-down menu. The second method involves directly adding new parameters to the ConVoid family itself. Open the ConVoid family in the Family Editor. Under the Create ribbon tab, navigate to the Properties section and click on Family Types. Add a new parameter to the family, ensuring that the parameter type is set to text. Save the family and load it into your project. The new parameter will now appear in the Parameter Transfer drop-down menu. By following these methods, you can customize ConVoid families to suit your project requirements with the desired parameters. Now you're all set to move on to the next step.